Hi you guys. What started out as a little bit of a usual clean job has turned into gratefully it's turned into a full-blown restoration. The first video about doing some of this stuff, and then there'll be probably another one or two after that. So coming up, it might be 2 or 3 videos about finishing restoring, because I still haven't gone underneath and done anything on the bottom yet, like apart from oil it and clean it. I haven't taken anything apart or replaced it or whatever. And we still got the hook to play with too. So it's really exciting, and I'm really learning a lot, and I'm really having a lot of fun. So I'm glad you guys are here, and hope you're having fun. Stay safe, and please subscribe if you can. I appreciate the support. And stay safe, have fun, and for now, adios amigos. And this is how my work table is set up, looking from left to right. Top left hand corner, I've got some tools in there. Bottom down here, I've got magnetic cup. I don't have any must for rust in here yet, but if I'm going to use some, that's already waiting to get some in there. And then as I just slowly pan right there, we get into the device stuff, the dog, that's from the hand wheel, and then the hook, and the needle end. This is all the front end linkage from the horizontal arm shaft to the needle bar and pressure bar, which are over here. Of course, this is the upper tension device and its parts. The dog is hanging out there. And yeah, as I just said, this is all the front end stuff, the presser and the needle bar and all that, and the swing, the zigzag. That's the thing that allows the zigzag. And then this is the top stuff from up in here, right up in there. You can see my orange screwdriver pointing up there. So it's really a fun project. It's good to be able to organize this stuff, and my main goal here is to do a full restoration and have it so magnificently, and to move some of these machines, renovate them and finish them up good, in really great condition, and send them to good homes. And then if I get some others that I can do, that would be great as well. But I hope this is helpful to you, and don't be shy. Please do subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, and I am publishing fairly frequently right now, so I'm really learning about these machines. In closing, I'd like to thank you for being here. I hope that this was useful to you, and please do return. I always appreciate your support, whether it be subscribing, liking, or hitting the notification bell. But please have fun. Take care of yourself, stay safe, and hope that we're all together real soon. Adios, amigos.